case you guys are wondering how in the world a mirror comes packaged, yeah, let's see if in fact it is cracked. And
whoa.
Oh yeah, that's okay. And of course it has plastic film on it.
Tear off film before use.
This is the back of the mirror. The instructions aren't the most helpful so hopefully this video will help you. This is going to go up against the wall, and then these mounts are permanently fixed on the mirror. And so once this is on the wall, it will slide theoretically right into there and hold on to it. Now, in case you're wondering where you mount this actual piece on the wall, the holes are 4 3/4 inch down from the top of the mirror. So essentially what you're going to do is put the mirror on the wall, mark where the top of the mirror is, and then measure 4 3/4 inch down, and that's where the 3 holes are going to be vertically. So now that we have measured 4 3/4 inches down from the midline, from the top of the mirror, now we can put a screw through the middle of the bracket right there. Now once that's in place, we can level it, and then once it's leveled, put the screws in to lock it down. I was very pleasantly surprised to find out that there happened to be 2 studs behind 2 of the screws, which is absolutely plenty to hold this thing in place. And just like that, I was delighted that it was that easy to mount. Yeah, it didn't go anywhere. Now my favorite part. That is gorgeous.